Hey everyone, it's Dylan here with Espresso Outlet. Today we are at an amazing annual fall festival and we are thrilled to be serving up some delicious coffee alongside some incredible lineup of vendors. We've got our mobile setup going strong, showing off some of our top tier equipment that you can find at Espresso Outlet, from home brewers to commercial machines. Let's dive in and explore what this festival has to offer. Grab a cup and join us. The fall season is perfect for a warm cup of coffee, and what better place than to be here surrounded by many talented vendors. From artisan crafts to gourmet food stalls, the energy here is incredible. As always, we're showcasing some of our best commercial espresso machines from Espresso Outlet. So whether you're a home enthusiast or running a cafe, we've got gear for you. Today, we're brewing up some of our favorite blends at Brewhead Espresso, giving festival goers the taste of what we do best. And honestly, it's not just about the coffee, it's about the community and sharing great moments and supporting local creators and businesses. So stick around and we'll be showing you our highlights and workflow from inside the trailers. So on the left hand side, you're going to see another video within the video, and this is just showcasing one of the shorts that I made and just kind of how the event went. It was a great event. There was tons of awesome vendors, and of course there was always time to relax and warm up by the fire, as you saw. So stay tuned as we show you the rest of our workflow and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and we appreciate you always.
11:34. It'll be right up for you. Yeah, thank you so much. Hello. How are you? Good. Absolutely. Absolutely. And then we just won't charge you extra. Because you guys always give us a discount for everything. And we don't know how to do that yet. We're like, I know there's some sort of option on there, but I don't know how to do that. What did you say? Jesus. Isn't that hard to do? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Just like manually. Yeah.
Here's your pumpkin. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah. No, you're fine. Yeah, that makes sense. I know. Like, I don't know how to do it. I want to figure it out because it's good to have that option. How sweet would you like it? Semi-sweet, sweet, or very sweet? Semi. The least sweet. Do you want regular or oat milk? Oh. Okay. And extra shot. I think that's everything. Yes. That's everything. I was like, I think I have everything. Perfect. Okay. So that is 8:39. Thank you. How have you guys been? Good. Oh. Part-time, like with your full-time jobs, or part-time with this? Oh, gotcha. I got it.
the extra caffeine.
Right. Did you want to make that a buddy boy so that we put whipped cream and an extra caramel drizzle on top? Okay. And you said hot or iced? Okay. I figured it's warm outside. I'm like, I'm gonna regret wearing my beanie. I know. I mean, it's supposed to. I'm sure it's gonna cool down as the event goes on, so I'll appreciate it then. So, what do you like? And how sweet is it? Do you want regular milk or oat milk? Okay. Yeah, and just so you know, we have our merchandise is available for purchase. We have beanies, hats, and t-shirts. Yeah, they're $30. $8.39 is your total. Yeah, the logo is like stitched in, so thank you. And it's real leather too. Oh. Okay, there's that back. My desk is charging. Hello, how are you? Good. No worries. Hi, how are you? Good. Oh, milk, do you want it iced or hot? Iced, okay. Not real sweet, okay. Semi-sweet, Ellie with oat, perfect. I mean, we can make any of our drinks iced, but that's the coldest we have. We can make it iced. Yeah. Sure. And do you want any? It comes with whipped cream, doesn't it?
What?
The caramel apple cider?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. It comes with whip, is that okay? No whip on yours? Okay. No whip on yours. Yeah. Cool. And is that it for you guys? Okay, that is Hi. How are you? Good to see you. Oh, okay. Sure, no problem. And what can I get for you? And did you want regular milk or oat milk? Did you want regular or oat milk? Perfect. And is that it for you guys? Okay, no problem. Also, we do have our beanies and hats and t-shirts available for purchase here in $13.53 is the total. Possible. Oh, actually, we will. Actually, no. Steve won't be there. We will be there for our own. I was like, well, not ours, but we're going to a wedding. Yeah, I was like, oh, well, we're not working it, but we'll be there. Oh, I know what you're talking about. We were there behind that area. That was for the 4th of July party. Is that what you're talking about? That was some people that were there. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's gorgeous. And this is your carvel. Yes, we have a wedding we're going to. So that's actually the first time that we've been there for